If you're all stressed out about the unused space in your backyard and have no clue how to spruce it up, or if you're scratching your head over what to do with that empty area on your roof, then have a peek at this Apple cabin carefully made from top-quality galvanized steel and aluminum plates. There's no need to worry about land indicator restrictions, and the size can be tailored to your requirements. When it rolls out of the factory, it comes with a great thermal insulation system and a nicely finished interior. Just hook up the water and electricity, and presto, it becomes a snug temporary guest room. Put a table in there, and it can change into an efficient office in a jiffy. We're an experienced manufacturer from China, and we've been in the integrated housemaking business for a whopping 20 years. All you need to do is give us a call, and our products will set off from Shanghai, China, and make their way to every nook and cranny of the world.